Hi guys, it's Param here from Raghav Technology, and this is our first video on this channel, and we are gonna unbox this lovely speaker which are the Klipsch Heritage Series the 6 powered Bookshelf speakers. I was in an urgent need of a Bookshelf speaker pairs for my theater room, as I was searching for small speakers which were powerful enough for my music listening, and these were the perfect choice. So I'm gonna unbox this and give you the sound demo and review of these speakers. So let us begin. As we all know, Klipsch has a heritage of giving lovely presentation while unboxing. So this is a very high quality nylon braided speaker interconnect cable which has their proprietary connector. So in these speakers, the right speakers has all the electronics including the volume knob, amplifier, IR receiver. So this cable is used to connect the left speaker to the amplifier. And the very brilliant thing Klipsch did is made it 25 feet long. So you can pierce the speaker wide enough to get a stereo enjoying. This is a fiber optical Toslink cable which you can use to connect your TV set-top box or any other accessories like your PlayStation or any other gaming console for sharing the digital media. So yes, this thing has a DAC inbuilt and it has 192 kHz and 24-bit operations. These are different power cables for different countries with a different type of pin. One is European and Australian. This is a high quality USB type B to type A cable for connecting your PC. Yes, these speakers are ready for PC Connect. So it's very useful to play high-res audio directly from your PC. This is a high quality remote which includes volume and even subwoofer volume control if you add one. So these speakers are even capable of and subwoofer output if you need one. This is an auxiliary cable which is a normal 3.5 mm jack cable. So if you want to connect your mobile directly through it, you can connect it or any other devices such as a desktop PC or laptop. And it also has Bluetooth, so you can connect your mobile wirelessly. Here's the owner's manual and some warranty guides. So here I have it in the walnut brown finish. You can also get it in ebony black finish if you are a bit of classy looking type. Look at these speakers. These are lovely. And as the other heritage products, we can also see that it comes with real wood veneers which are matched in both speakers to give you a premium feel for matching it in your any type of furniture. It has a magnetic grill with the traditional PWK, which means Paul W. Klipsch logo. As you can see, the grill is very high quality of nylon clothing as other heritage products. So in this speaker, it consists of a 6-inch IMG woofer and a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter with a face plug, and Klipsch's heritage face plug with a waveguide. It's not the silicone coated waveguide as the other reference Premier speakers, but it has the modern design which the reference Premier speakers has. So this one is a left speaker. So on the back you can see that it has a 2-inch port, and it does not have Tractix port. But I think it sounds good. Not the best as the Tractix port, but those are good. and this is the socket for connecting your proprietary cable. So this is the left speaker. Let me show you the right speaker, as it consists all the electronics. So this is the right speaker. On the front we can see that they gave us an vintage style toggle switch to turn it on and off. This is the volume knob, which has a copper color finish, which looks very good in this walnut color. This is an infrared receiver for our remote, as I showed you, and a input selector switch, and it has different LEDs for different sources like Bluetooth, aux, USB, etc. And I forgot to tell you, but it has this copper color Allen key screws over here. Those are not for any kind of other equipment, but just for the design purpose. But it looks very good. So on the back, here's the amplifier. It's the normal IEC connector. So you can use the high quality connectors like Audio Quest and other companies. And there's some special thing in it. In the RCA or the input line connectors, there is a toggle switch. So you can switch it to phono if you want to use a turntable. So this speaker has phono preamp built in. So you don't need to buy an external phono preamp for your turntable. So it comes in really handy for person who have a lack of space and save for some money for some high quality preamp. So if you switch it to line, it reacts as the normal RCA plugs, and you can connect it as the analog connectors from your TV or any other equipment if it does not have digital connector. And here's the LFE or subwoofer out and aux in, and here's the USB audio. And you can see that it has a USB type A socket, but it's not for playing playback USB. It's only for service. And here's the ground connection for the turntable users, and the other proprietary socket to use it to the left speaker. Again, it has match veneers and it's a good finish. So now you will see the sound demonstration and the review of the product. So now we will begin with the review and the demo of the speakers. So they are finally activated and are ready to play. So you can feel the sound and hear them, the 6s by Klipsch. So the first thing I want to show you is the size comparison. These speakers are pretty big, but still, as their name is defined, bookshelf speakers, you can place it easily in any bookshelf or in a small place. So beside it, it's the Reference Premier 6000 speaker. So compared to it, these speakers are pretty big as a bookshelf speaker. So now I connected it directly from my laptop through the USB DAC, and for it it's a very simple process. In your laptop or any device, you have to download the USB drivers, which are very simple. They are available on Klipsch website, and now the speakers are ready to plug and play. So let us hear some songs that I chose, and I am playing FLAC files from my laptop directly. And you can feel the sound, it's very hi-fi and you can get what you are spending for. as you can see, these speakers are very loud as compared to their sizes. Literally, I was sitting here and I was feeling the bass, and still I didn't connected the subwoofer to the speakers. So there is also an option available for connecting an subwoofer, whether you are watching a movie or any other shows. So it is pretty simple to connect them to your TV via optical Toslink, as I told you, and connect a subwoofer and get a movie experience. So these were very loud, and especially I increased the volume, and they were never ever I felt that they were bursting. They were literally clear, and every instrument and bass were separated and I can hear them properly. So you can see that how powerful these speakers are, and for the price you are getting it, the finish, the look, and the sound, especially the Klipsch traditional horn sound you get. So it's a very good package what you get. So it's a very good job done by Klipsch. So now we will hear the songs from connecting to my phone via Bluetooth and hear its sound quality. So as I mentioned before, these speakers are plug and play speakers. So those are pretty simple to pair. As you turn the volume knob, the source knob to the Bluetooth, the light begins to flash, and those speakers are easily discoverable in your phone. So as I go in Bluetooth, I can see Klipsch The 6s got connected, and now I will play directly from my mobile phone.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Say, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me.
So this was basically the Bluetooth connectivity sounds demo, and there's a little difference between the wired connectivity and wireless connectivity. So it's normal difference you can get in any kind of speaker, whether it is a Klipsch speaker or a portable Bluetooth speaker. So in the Bluetooth wireless category, if I talk, the sound was again pretty loud, and there were separations which were very clear, which I did not experienced even in the reference Premiere series. So on my perspective, these speakers are really good in the price point which you get in it. These retail for 94,800 rupees in India, which are around about $1,000 or $1,500 in some countries. So if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe.